Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be creating this whole makeup look that I'm currently wearing right now. If you guys want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not, and turn your post notifications on because YouTube has been kind of weird lately where, I don't know, people are not being notified when their favorite YouTubers are uploading a video. So I hope I'm one of your favorites and you turn your post notifications on. Yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. I'll see you guys in a second. Hey guys, so I have no idea what kind of look I want to do today. I do know that I want to use my Urban Decay Born to Run palette. The colors in here are beautiful. I mentioned this in my September favorites. This is what the eyeshadows look like. They blend like a dream, and I've just been playing around a lot with this palette, and so I just want to do some kind of look today with it. I'm just going to prime my lid with my concealer. I know a lot of you are waiting for my beauty room reveal. It's not done yet. I told you guys November 1st. It's kind of hard just because, I mean, things cost money, and also when you order things like from IKEA, I don't live near an IKEA, so it takes a couple weeks, like 2 weeks. Well, not 2 weeks, but maybe like a week and a half to get here. I am going to be showing you guys once it's completed. I'm going to zoom you guys in a tiny bit. There we go. Hello, it's me, Blanca. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and grab Riff, which is this shade right here. And I'm going to apply that to my crease. And since I didn't set my base, I'm just going to tap on the color first and then blend it out. So just do circular motions when you're blending. I like this brush because it's kind of pointed but fluffy. This is the AOA Studio E129 brush, and it just fits perfectly right here in your crease, like right into the socket, and so it just makes it really easy to blend the shadows. Okay, so once I'm done that, I'm gonna go in with Punk, which is right here. I'm just gonna add that to the corner and really just pack it on. I'm thinking I might do a halo eye. It's a beautiful chocolatey, rich brown color. And I'm just packing it on until I'm happy with the intensity. And I'm going to add it right in the inner corner as well. And I'm kind of tilting my head so that I can really get in there. And I'm leaving a space in the middle as I'm going to do a halo eye. And then I'm slowly going to connect them together. So this is going to require a lot of blending. Really pretty. I'm going to go ahead and take Riff, that brown shade that we started with at the beginning, and I'm just going to go into the crease with it just to make sure everything is all nicely blended. Going back in with Punk, the dark color, again packing it on. It should look like something like that. I'm going to go ahead and do this eye and I'll be right back. Okay, so next I'm going to take Blaze, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to take it on a flat brush like this, and I am going to spray it with some setting spray. And I'm just going to apply that in the center of my lid. Oh, it's so pretty. really pretty. So I'm just trying to focus it here in the center. I'm going to go back in with Punk. Blend the edges. And then I just go back in with Punk with no additional product on the brush, just whatever was left over, and just blending that in. That's really pretty. So for my brow bone highlight, I'm going to take Breakaway, which is this shimmery white shade. So I'm just going to pop on some lashes. I don't think I'm going to do any wing liner today. And then I'm going to work on my face. Or maybe I will do liner. Should I do liner? I don't know. All right, so my lashes are finally on. Sorry, I didn't mean to yell. That kind of took a long time. I don't know what's going on with my lashes today. This one's a little bit wonky, so let's just ignore that, okay? So next we're going to move on to the face, and I'm going to use my Origins Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. I think once I'm done this, I'm going to switch over my moisturizers. I got a little sample of the Drunk Elephant moisturizer. This one right here. It's the polypeptide cream. I don't know if that's how you say it. And I just love the way it leaves my skin. But that cream, I believe, is like, I don't know, I think it's like $70. And I don't know. All right, so for primer, I'm going to go in with my Tatcha Silk Canvas. Love this stuff. Then I just swirl it in my hand and just like warm it up. I just apply it to my face once it's warm. Like you can really feel that it warmed up, and it just applies so nicely when I do that. All right, so next is my foundation. So for foundation, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Matte Poreless Foundation, and I'm just mixing it in with the Superstay Foundation as well. Those foundations mixed together, they just blend like a dream. Maybelline is my favorite foundation from the drugstore, so if you guys are looking for a really nice foundation, I would recommend the Matte and Poreless by Maybelline and then the Superstay by Maybelline. They're both very good. Next up is concealer. So what is up with you guys? Anything new? Not much is new with me. Just working. I'm actually feeling a lot better, but I have been in a lot of pain with my arms. As you guys know, I work, well, maybe you don't know, but work as a cashier, and so it's pretty much repetitive, and sometimes our store can be extremely busy, just like constantly scanning, and it's very repetitive. And so I started noticing a couple months ago that my arm, like my shoulder, just started to kind of hurt, and it was just kind of bugging me here and there. But then it started to become really painful, and it started moving down to like the back of my arms and then onto like my hand. So I went to the doctors, and they told me that my tendons are inflamed, probably like irritated from like just doing the same movement over and over again. Anyways, she told me to get a brace, which I got, and I had to buy like some expensive ass gel, and I've been putting it on. I'm supposed to put it on like twice a day, and I'm supposed to wear my brace as much as I can. I usually wear my brace like at nighttime. There was a day last week that I came home and I just felt like crying. My arms were on fire. It's gotten better now. Sometimes when I start my shift, I'll just take like an Advil just to help, and I find that that does help. But I mean, I don't want to be taking that all every day. Today, like my thumb doesn't hurt too bad. Like usually it hurts around here, right here, and back here, and then like on my shoulder, and then this shoulder started to hurt. So I was getting kind of down because I was just in pain constantly, and when I would come home from work, I was just like exhausted. That's what's been going on with me. Like I said, it's gotten better. I'm off today, but I find when I'm working, I can just feel it like starting up again. Hopefully it kind of just like passes and goes away on its own. Okay, so I'm going to continue underneath my eyes now. I'm going to add Riff, which is that brown shade that we used, the very first one. I'm just going to pop that underneath. I'm going to use like a, I don't know what this is called, like a little angled brush like this, and I'm just going to add it close to my lash line, but I'm not bringing it all the way across. I'm just putting it like a third of the way, just like that, just to deepen it up. And then I'm going to go back in with that small little brush and just blend it out. And I'm going to take Breakaway, which is the same color I used on my brow bone. I'm just going to add that in my inner corner. So to contour, I'm going to use my Tarte, what is this called? Clay Play Face Shaping Palette. I love this palette. It's so good, and I especially love it for contouring. So I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called, ooh, I can't see it, Terracotta. Taking my Hoola bronzer just to like darken it up a little bit more, even though I probably don't need to. I'm gonna take, just barely touching it, it's this shade right here, this one, barely touching it, and look how dark it is. Like, it's so dark. Deepen this part up, and then I'm just going to add some blush, my Milani Romantic Rose, Romantic Rose, popping that on my cheek just to give me some color. For highlight, I'm going to be taking the Burberry Fresh Glow highlighter in the shade Rose Gold. Ignore the mirror. It's very dirty. So for my lipstick, I'm just taking Stripped by MAC and just lining my lips. And I think I just want to stick with a nude lip today. I'm going to take Rimmel's Stay Matte Liquid Lip Color in the shade Latte To Go. I recently purchased this and I really like it. I've recently been setting my face and then just fanning my face out. I feel like it makes a huge difference. It makes your makeup last longer, and it just, I don't know, I just feel like it just does something. So that's why I do it. I'm going to go ahead and fix my hair, and I'll be right back with the finished look. All right, you guys, so this is the final look. I know I said I was gonna go do my hair, but I just fixed my ponytail because I'm too lazy. It takes me a long time, you guys, to blow dry my hair. It takes a while, so I don't feel like doing that right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. I love the way that it turned out. It's like fall vibes, you know? So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up before you leave, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you have not. Follow me on Instagram and come say hi. Leave me a comment down below. Yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.